How to book your Vietnam hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, let's move on. Okay, how to book your Vietnam hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, first you have to go to install the Vietnam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. As showing like this is the link. Okay, and then or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR scanner to install the Vietnam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Next, okay, after you have installed this Vietnam Best Travel Tour Guide, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Vietnam hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Vietnam for vacation or holidays with your family and friends. Okay, let's go move on to the apps. Okay, first you type in Vietnam Best Travel Tour Guide. Okay, then you click on this, and after once you install, you click open. Okay, this is your mobile version. As you can see, this Vietnam tour guide is provide you the guide to visit Vietnam. Okay, how to book the hotel? You can look at the apps here. Got one hotel booking icon. Okay, just tap on it. Okay, it will bring you to the hotel booking system page. Okay, whereby you can book any hotel in Vietnam. On this page, it displays the top destination in Vietnam, whereby you can select the hotel that you want to book from Hoi An, Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, Da Nang, Nha Trang, and other travel famous place. Okay, for example, you want to book the hotel in Hoi An, you can click on it, or you can search the hotels in Vietnam. Okay, let's say for example you want to book the hotel in Hoi An. Just click on it. Click on Hoi An. Hotel Hoi An. You can browse through the popular Hoi An hotels on the right side of the apps. Just scroll down. Let's say you want to look for more information on this Hoi An hotel. Just tap on it or tap on view deal. Then it will show you the hotel details. Okay, this app that's got one advantage, okay, whereby you can look at the hotel's photo, and also you can compare the hotel booking price. Okay, that you can book through different apps and compare the price here. And here also got display the hotel features. Okay, for example, let's say you want to book any hotel, you look at the best deals price, just click on it. Okay, and then it will bring you to the hotel booking page. Of course, before that you can also search the hotels availability here. Okay, just tap on here and input the address or the hotel name that you want to search, or you can select. Okay, let me maximize this page. Okay, let me maximize this page first. Okay, now look bigger and better. Okay, this is the hotel page. Okay, can scroll down, look at the information about this hotel, what is the features of the hotel, the service, and other people review on this particular hotel. Okay, and let's say you want to book this hotel. Okay, you can click on any link here, or you can search the hotel name by tapping here. Okay, and check-in date, check-out date, and how many adults, how many person go with the room for family, adults, or a group. Okay, then click search. Okay, or you want to pass another room, here is also an optional. Okay. Then once you're done, you click done. Let me show you. Okay, let's say you want to book a hotel. Okay, let me look for the best deal price. I can click on the book with hotel. Then it will redirect to the page for me to book the hotel. It's very convenient. Okay, just let's say I want this. Just click select. Okay, select, and then click on book. Okay, and then next, if you have any special request, you can input your request here, input your personal detail, key in your credit card payment details, here to reserve your hotel booking. Okay, then you have to click on this by choosing to book. I acknowledge I have read the terms and conditions and privacy. Click on book, then it will lead you to the page to confirm your booking once your payment has been done online. Okay, that's all for this hotel booking through this Vietnam Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, so let's remember you can book the hotel through this Vietnam Best Travel Tour Guide app, whereby you can install this Vietnam Tour Guide by going to the Google Play Store. Let me go back to the page and show you. Okay, come on, let's use your phone to scan on this QR code. You can click on the link below this video to install this Vietnam Travel Tour Guide. Okay, stay tuned. I will share with you on other video regarding the travel tips, the best travel tips. Thank you. Goodbye.